Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity. So first important opportunity for the role of network and security engineer and L1, L2, L3 and from the location of Delhi, Mumbai, and this is a full-time role. So if you have some experience in all these infra and teams and network and security related things, then you can basically share your resume to this mail ID. And if you have some certifications related to Cisco and all things, then it's a great advantage. Okay, so these will be your roles and responsibilities. So if you are interested in these all things like a firewall and all those things, so you can basically share your resume. Coming to next important opportunity, I've already provided update related to the GlobalLogic, and this is the different hiring, that is they are hiring for the role of junior front end or full stack developer. So if you are freshers and have some knowledge and experience, then only you can apply, and this is also opportunity. Okay, next important, this is completely for 2026 graduate. So if you are 3-year full-time degree students and passing in 2026, then this is one of the wonderful hiring from the Cognizant, and I've already provided you update. So now the date has been extended till 15th of March. You can apply. Okay, so talking a little bit more about that, so salary will be around 3.5 to 3.6, and you will perform CRUD operations, analyze root cause, and these are the skills required. That is a good time management skill, written and verbal communication skill, teamwork and collaborations, and this is the eligibility criteria, that 2026 batch of BCA, BSc and CSIT, and you should have minimum 60% to apply for this. So this is also a wonderful opportunity. Make sure to share those opportunity with your friends too. Okay, and coming to next important opportunity, and this is a remote job from the Wyreflow technology. They are hiring for the role of data analyst, so freshers can apply. So if you are 2025 or 2026, then you can apply with that, and your salary will be 3.6 LPA. So if you are interested, you can just share your resume to or mail ID this one, and you should have basic knowledge of Excel, SQL and data visualization tool, that is Power BI and other important tools. So friends, I have already launched the coding series, so if you haven't followed that, then you can follow that. Okay, related to TCS NQT, those who have TCS NQT exam must join our WhatsApp or Telegram group. There I am sending you the free preparation material, and also you can get all those preparation material in these all video. Okay, so soon Cognizant for the B.Tech hiring will be announced. Okay, and those who have applied for this role, that is the PY, they are also getting reward. So must comment here whether you got the some things or not. Remember friend, make sure to apply with your updated resume, and that is the good point, so you can apply for other hiring which still going on. So best of luck for your further job hunting.